So guys, in a short period of time, maybe within 10 this video is not going to be long. I'm going to do a top-down analysis on XAUSD, which is good, you understand. So a thorough top-down analysis, weekly top-down analysis that will just last for like that kind 10 to 15 minutes. So you have to like stay tuned and get the knowledge, grab the knowledge, listen to what I have to say, listen to the analysis from the beginning to the end, and get exactly what you want from this particular analysis and make use of it, you understand. So love you guys, let's dive into the charts and do an intensive top down analysis just as we always do, you understand. Yeah, let's go. So on our screen here, this is XAUSD, just as I said. And what time frame is this? This is daily time frame. And what exactly are you seeing, you understand, on the charts? What exactly are you seeing on the chart? If you look closely to the chart like this, what exactly are you seeing? The market make a higher, like all-time high. This is an all-time high on gold, you understand. Since the market reached this particular level, the market have never ever reached this particular level in the history of gold. And this period, the market create an all-time high, and the market come down to this particular area, this support level, and try to move to the upside. You get, this is how you like go about your top down analysis. You do it from the higher time frame, then you go down to the lower time frame, like 4 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, and maybe 1 hour time frame to mark your to mark a clean and strong support and resistance level is on the 4 hour time frame. Let me know the CV. Let you know what the CV is on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? 4 hour time frame is the 4 hour time frame support and resistance level is the most strongest when you do your top down analysis from the weekly, daily, 4 hour time frame. You mark your support and resistance level. Then maybe 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. You take your action. You understand? That's where you execute your trade. Either you are a like a swing trader, a day trader, or any type of trader you are, you understand. That's where you do your you enter your trade from, you understand. So you do your weekly, like you do your top down analysis from the higher time frame, just as I'm going to do it for you guys like this. Then you go to your 4 hour time frame, mark a support and resistance level. Then the next thing you need to do is to go down to your execution time frame, which is might be 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, and some people use as low as 1 minute time frame, but me personally I use 15-minute time frame. So that's how go and do it, you understand. So listen attentively for this particular top down analysis that I'm going to do in a short period of time. You guys, oh yeah, let's go. So if you come to your chart, this is daily time frame, you understand. And if you want to know the overall direction of the market, you go to your weekly time frame, you understand. On the weekly time frame, what exactly are you seeing? The market, since the market creates an all-time high, you understand, the market have been doing this type of retracement for the longest now, you understand. As you can see, the market moved from this particular area. The market moved from this particular area. Let me see. Move all the way like this, just give a little retrace, then move again up to this particular area, give a little retrace, then move again. This just a minor retracement, then move again, you understand, to this particular area before we are seeing another retracement to the downside. Then it's trying to move again. Let's see where this particular one is going to like end, you understand. But I'm going to break it down to the lower time frame so that you guys understand how it works, you understand. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. So now you have seen that the market have been moving like this for the longest, and it will move up, give a little retracement, move again, give a little retracement, move again, give a little retracement. Then you go to a lower time frame, you understand. Then let me show you one thing on the weekly time frame. What exactly are you seeing, you understand. The market move all the way from here, then give a little retracement there. But what exactly moved this particular market from here to the upside? And if you look closely on the weekly time frame, there is no any support level around this particular area. That is why you need to go to the lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame, and see what moved the market from that particular place, you understand. So on the daily time frame, what exactly do you see? There is a support level here, you understand? There's a support level, see a support level here, but this particular major support, this is a major support level, because this is where the market have a long consolidation on 4-hour time frame. You understand? We are going down to 4-hour time frame so that you see how the consolidation around this particular area be, you understand, and how it look like. So the market comes to this particular area, give us this particular bullish engulfing candle, immediately it tap on this particular support level and start moving up, you understand. Let me clear this particular line so that we'll see it very clear. So the market come to like create all-time high, then come to this particular support level, give us something like a W pattern, then move up, you understand. The first move that the market take is to like feed this particular fair value gap that it creates when it's taking an impulsive move to the downside. Then it retraces back down a bit to this particular inner support level. Listing, just watch closely and understand exactly what I'm saying. So the market come to this particular inner support level, then it move up again. And what exactly are you seeing? The market is trying to like retrace to the downside. Is it what, like if you look closely, what exactly this particular market is trying to do from this area? What I'm expecting, because this is daily time frame and this is last week Friday candlestick, you understand. And if you, as you can see, if you look closely the way the candlestick close, let me drop this. If you look closely the way this particular candlestick close, it close hammer and a long way to the upside, you understand. It closed like a hammer and a long way to the upside. Then what exactly will come into your mind whenever you see this particular pattern on the chart? This is just like an M pattern, to be sincere. This is just like an M pattern. For my, like, to me, the markets will like break to the downside, maybe make a double bottom or come to this particular inner support level, you understand, then make a clean double bottom from this particular area before we see another push to the upside. But like me, I believe in clean chart, you understand. I believe on clean chart. So let me just delete all this particular drawing and just give you guys the clean one, like the one that I use. So the market move from down here like this, come and fill this particular fair value gap, then move to the inner support level, which this is the inner support level here, then give us something like a W pattern from the support level, then move all the way to this particular resistance level, you understand. Then what exactly are you seeing? It's trying to retrace from this particular resistance level, and the main thing that you're supposed to focus on now, like this particular new week, is this particular candlestick, you understand, is this particular candlestick. So why the markets do not break to the upside to maybe make a double top before we see something like this, that the market is giving this particular this type of candlestick from this particular area? So that is something that you need to think about, you understand. So if you see something like this, means the market is trying to take an opposite direction of the previous trend, and the previous trend for this particular area is an uptrend, you understand, on the daily time frame. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, this particular move from here to this particular place is not a minor or small uptrend, you understand. So what I'm expecting and what I'll be expecting this particular week that we are about to that will start, is the market to as the market reach this particular area, is to come down to this particular support level, gather momentum before we see something like this, you understand, from this particular support level. Then we'll see a double top here, you understand. This is exactly what I'm seeing on the daily time frame on XAUSD. Do you get? Then what exactly again, where do you supposed to mark your support and resistance level from? Which time frame do you supposed to mark your support and resistance level from? Just as I said, do your top down analysis from the higher time frame to know the direction of the market, then mark your support and resistance level from the lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame support and resistance level is a major support and resistance level that the market respects almost all the time. So let's go to 4-hour time frame, you understand. So this is 4-hour time frame. As you can see, this is the support level that will mark the inner support level that will mark from the daily time frame, and it corresponds with the one that with the 4-hour time frame on, you understand. Then what exactly are you seeing on the 4-hour time frame? the market come to this particular resistance level and trying to form something like an M pattern, you understand. Then if you see something like an M pattern with this particular type of candlestick that you are seeing on the chart, means the market is going to the next support level. And where is the next support level? Is this particular area, you understand. The market forms something like an M pattern, then trying to move to this particular support level, you understand. Then this is the support level that you expect the market to come to before you see another push to the upside. So this is exactly what I will be paying close attention to on XAUSD. Seriously, this particular new week, you understand, before any other thing. Maybe throughout this week we'll be seeing a little push to the downside, you understand, before the market will like take a move from here, maybe to the next resistance level, you understand, maybe to the next resistance level, something like this, you get. So you have to be very vigilant, you have to be very active to know the direction of the market. Do your thorough top down analysis and make sure you stick to your plan every blessed time, every blessed day, you understand. Don't ever go against your plan. If you go against your plan, you yourself, you know exactly what happens whenever you go against your plan. Because me, I know I know exactly what happens to me whenever I go against my plan. So stay tuned. And this particular top down analysis, I do it just for like to sharpen your idea concerning XAUSD, then for you to learn a top down analysis and a technical analysis, you understand. Then I go on live video every blessed time, 4 times in a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, you understand. So that I'll take a question from you guys and answer you guys live and direct. Let it not be as if I just continue doing just video alone. No, I need to like create a community where every trader's voice will be heard, you understand. I need to create that community. benvfx want to create a community where every trader's voice will be heard, you understand. Even if you don't have money for mentorship, just stay around this particular channel. There is nothing you're not going to learn from this particular channel. So be very vigilant and be very active. Let's grow together. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it and subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so that whenever I go on live video, you'll be notified and you join us live and direct as we'll do it live. Nothing to be hide, nothing to be fake, nothing, just real and pure. That's it. So see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for the next live video, you understand. So that's why you need to turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I come on live video. Thank you, and I see you in the next video. Bye for now.